Welcome to this 1-minute guide to project management in constructions. Project management is the art of planning, organizing, and controlling construction projects to achieve success. A construction manager is like the conductor of an orchestra, coordinating all aspects of the project. They create a timeline, set milestones, and ensure the project stays on schedule. Budget management is crucial. They allocate resources wisely to avoid cost overruns. Clear communication is key. They keep the team informed and address any challenges that arise. When the project is finished on time and within budget, it's a cause for celebrations. Ready to dive into the world of construction project management? Click the link or subscribe for more valuable insights.